Ladies and gentlemen, I got from the admin plan on this right now. What do you say? My life. I love my life. I love my life. What do you say? I love myself. I don't really care what people say. I don't really care. I'm not that person. Life is short, life is sweet. Life has no regret. I love my life, I love myself. Anything I do for myself. Anything I buy for myself. I'm not taking credit.
Share this video, guys.
Anybody. I can't like to please anybody. You can come and do the jealous me. You can come and do the MVP. You can come and do the just me. I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I know. I smoke that polly and I feel alright. If you don't know me, you ever. I'm the baba, the body, the body, the body, the baba, the body, the baba. I'm the baba, the body, the body, the body, the baba, the body. Why you? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you do? Why you say? I love my life. I love myself. I don't really care what people say. If you don't love her, you can't use the bad.
If you don't love her, you can use the bad. Alright, my people, I greet you all with us. Please share this video. Share this video. That music song just now was played by what's the name? Franca Amen Brown. The person will sing that song just now. I love my life, self-love. Franca Amen Brown. The singer. I understand. Now one of our beautiful sister, our Benin woman, she did sing. She did for okay. You understand? So if you want to play that song, go on YouTube, go play self-love. You see fine song for the way you want to draw for YouTube. There are many beautiful women where they sing sweet song. When not they hear their name. For your sing or your one for head, how can they go? You understand? So if you want to watch that, if you want to listen to that one song, go on YouTube, you'll see her there. Tell you what. So for those of you who watch this video, now great of now with us and good evening and good afternoon. Depends on wherever they watch this video from. As you all know, I still know now, brother Baba with a smile. You will mewan, they are muzzle, you understand? They are lalwe, the period water, you understand? Name it, all kind of name. They are in what they are kobishi. You understand? When they are lying, kobishi, Baba with a smile. So, a great lot of them with us. If you want to help me share this video, make you reach this my little boy, this my boy, this prodigal son of mine, where they always the mentor all the time, so that make sure for the learn, make sure learn new thing. You see, I want to play one video for now. When listen, but when I share this video, very important. I want me to share this video. Let me see how many people share the video before I play this video. They want to invite Enogie. I just got baby. I want to invite Enogie. Enogie sit down. Make it listen. You want to collect. You don't want to collect better injection this evening. Since the medicine where they give Enogie for hospital where they drink, it no work. There is an injection very important from a very, very responsible person. He want to give Enogie one injection. This injection will cure this bunny leg, like bunny face. This leg will be like bunny face. It will cure him. That head will be like Australian goats. It will still cure him. So please, I just got beg. I'm gonna share this video. Make Enogie see this video. I'm gonna tag Enogie's price list for this video. Make it sit down. Make it for watch this broadcast. I get serious, solid message for Enogie. Oh. And there is a woman who call for Enogie platform when Enogie insult my children. You understand? I believe so many of you now they watch Enogie video which they insult our children which she born. I believe so they watch Enogie video when Enogie they lay curse on the children, when the one with their house, the one they here, which she when in born. Not be one, not be two times, several times occasion that's which she does insult our children. Hello?
What is the picture of?
Is it? Is it? Okay. All right, okay. No problem. Thank you. So, let me plug my phone. Please, don't help me share this video. Very important. Make Enogie come sit down, make it come take sense. I believe so many of you now they watch the video we Enogie do when he insult my beautiful children. You understand? The enemy of my children, not my children. Nah, your own children they insult. You understand? I be father. I always seems to be a father, and I always stands to take responsibility as a father because I love my children, and at the same thing I love you guys' children. Because our people say one person not the born picking are for everybody. Unless for those useless animals, those useless boys like Enogie, we don't know say picking are for everybody. My own children supposed to be Enogie children. Enogie children is my children. They are my children. You understand? But due to the stupidity where Enogie and his wife, when he calls always say, they not get sense. They not get sense. They not just only get sense. They not trade away for house. I'm a cooking and say why more. So that's why they see them become a nuisance. Their stupidity is man. Enogie come. You see me and my children. You see me and my children. Oh God, and this picture they pay you. And this video they pay you, not let them pay you. Wait, I'll play your video where somebody send you injection. I'm gonna share this video. I will continue to tell now about Enogie. How he did they insult in children for live video all the time. Una know say as in ela as in ela ewon mono sagi agbon iwo la se gogo as in ela osagi pera na ela ewon mono sagi agbon iwo la se gogo. If I just look Enogie, I go laugh. It is heavy me for man to insult your children. Because not be your children send you madness. You understand? It is heavy me for man to come to use my mouth. They insult your children. It is heavy me for man to come to describe your children how their life look like. For real. Because all those children, they be innocent children. They don't know one or two. The moment man where you turn to, the irresponsible father where you become, not be there saying you. Aluro maride, na luru where they were say. He saw unfortunately Ashawo bien Enogie. Igbiaga bien Enogie. Oji me bien Enogie. Ashawo bien Ashawo. You see the name where they call it off now. Now na inheritance na what na inherit. Enogie, your man na on the show. Osawo say na on the show. Ashawo bien Ashawo. Enogie, Osawo say na Ashawo. You the thief. Ashawo bien Enogie. Enogie, you the thief. Osawo say the thief boss us an egg for supermarket. Oji bien Enogie. Enogie, you know the bath. Osawo say the bath. Akbinwe bien akbinwe. Akbinwe marry akbinwe. You understand so? Enogie, you get body odor. Osawo say still get body odor. You understand? Odolistic get married to what? Odolistic. Enogie, you know the brush it your teeth, they smell. Some say this smell on the brush, that's why they don't kiss. Akono we are marry akono we are. You understand? You feel the vibes? Enogie, you dey peace for us. Osawo say pekus dey smell get infection. Peace for us, marry infection pekus. You see in our story. So it go this somehow to me to call a trauma to your innocent children because of the father. I don't go insult your children. Please, when I share this video, when I invite Enogie, make you sit down here. You see all those frustrated callers, they call you or you call you. That particular caller will call you. We say in brother Nusa, in brother wife, blah 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 blah. We talk with them. Come your platform, come the blow line. Brother Nusa death go worse past that woman. It go better past that woman. Brother Nusa's death, it go better past that woman. That woman not go die calling presenter. It go collect costs. It go carry sickness calling presenter. We go kill. That sickness, it go spend money for that sickness thing. It go rot, smell, die. Now make your camera so you go do that. She not going now. Say she already collect sickness. Just to watch. Now small. Now, Ewi Richard Williams Adaye, come here. I listen to the video you do. Let me play one video for you where you talk. You say whether na Egbunoku or Weberia, blah 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 blah. You they talk to Sharon family. The pains you have now, you see, they don't call you. They don't send you message. Say, any money when you do for your platform, use to do your marriage. They don't need your assistance. So the team pay you, not let them pay you, because you never see. Ewi, for Benin history, you and your so-called callers, when you want to talk about Benin history, Ewi sit down, you be small picking. You be small picking, not anything. Now me and your elder sister out there waiting for UK. Now we gotta talk. I told you Enogie, for Benin history, as traditions demand, I never see where they go to marry wife for woman house. I never see where they go to marry wife for woman house. If you want to marriage, now man family, they give out their daughter hands in marriage. Enogie be like say they forget your body. Enogie, I never see for history where they go to buy papa, they go marry for them. Man come for you on your behalf. I never see him. Hello? Yeah, what's up with real life? Ayawa. Okay, put it on speaker. On the speaker.
Point of correction. Enogie is not a traditional, Benin traditional. Enogie is not a Benin traditional. It's a son. A son of Enogie. It's something we do a traditional for mamma. Why analyze with the son and look over here while we do video.
Yes.
So is a claimant doing a claimant. If not saying nothing with the fans of me, we are doing a house in nothing will be fine in Enogie. So one another okay, we walk our
What's it? What? That's true. This bro's not truth. Just thank God see this guy remind me. He not gonna be Asian. He not gonna Asian. Okay. Now I really can't know. Oh, that's why they craze. I see him. Okay, for the 7 of corporation. Now woman house now for going to do marriage. Okay. That's why I see him. But now I really understand because of now Benin people they follow him. So they buy the clay Benin and in Aisha. Okay, I remember Precious Men. That's what Precious. Okay, that's what Precious Men go on tight. Alright. Okay. Slow body boy. Bros in Butani. Now I really remember. No Gilia we do at all. Yes or no? Okay, that's right. You see? That yo. Manager me di Mediterranean. You hear Maro Hano Enebi. You can find no one. You can go school. Oh God. You hear Mare. Ebi ye koeti. Ebi simero. Egba sakara so nyoba. Oh, lili me ahia. Yari yoku gume. Adori yoku yimobo. You understand? Egbi no ya mwak me you are. We ovima. Do sobo hona. You understand? The Igbo manager waka introduction egbon ra hian ana ya introduction di introduction ali list bi wi ya me akemi wa gbegbe na ya mu go yo zebe na wo le do ogwe mi na wo le ro we aya egbe iye kevi egba gbon tan ona ga egbe no kedu nu ame edo ne dori we na ya egbe iye koeti egbe tose egbe siemero makle mana ga edo eke ma do mi ti o ka egbe na ga mo tubu egbe oku ma do mi ti o ka egbe generally mama different branch but branch ni ma wa yewo egbe oku ma yewo. You understand? Egbe ni mekiri amari oku me ma pay 2 million na egbe ni metawo egbe na knot mekiri akemi ni ya le ya do ki on dogi on me na make I use English for the people where they follow that boy, the family with me for come when I want to do my marriage. Na telephone number na take course I want to do marriage. I tell my senior brother, I called by Okagbe, the overall senior for the general family. Then that one constantly and come my senior brother, I don't come my senior brother. Then my senior brother come doctor. Then that one my camera come go tell you overall senior, the general Okagbe. The cost of which this is. Then the general camera come send some of the family members say, we go follow me go. I don't pay 1 hour. Where they will go talk, I not go there. They always say, okay, so people like this will come. Which day see the too? They follow us go for the introduction. For the marriage day, the same thing. People will go that day. We go marry 2 wives that day for our family. For our family, we marry 2 wives that very day. So they split the family to 2 parts. Say, you go follow this one, go this side. You go this one. You understand? I not pay 1 hour apart from the least way family of the wife we want to go marry give me the drinks and everything. Thank God say when I put up for life video now they after they don't give me wife then they come house when they consider don't give us wife we go house. Now me make call see when I enter only market buy goods buy 5 cartons of beer 5 cartons wadinya Why I beg when you were a pepper soup. But why Simon? Master, pepper soup. I Simon. Now go. Now why Simon will be going by my father's outside, my father's house. Oh, so bonnet. Now I'm going to 700. In a community. The social media now you go many years we marriage no. Who don't know what say? It is too. They don't get on now. When you born say it is too because more new woman we here marry. Facebook of money. Monster. I know how my pocket rich. I plan my life. I know what to luxury marriage. I never read that position. My hand don't read luxury marriage. Me no luxury. I want to go do luxury. I dey wear a bucket shirt. I want to go do marriage. I want to get this. I go along. They can only go you walk over. As my hands reach over hand. Now give my dad a talkie. And I call la open market now the talkie. The tozo the promote the. When the boy say, in that way can have no cheap in a row. Now I call the work guy. I go work. I want to call your body. I was a new. Now I go work and go on. If I ever wore my talon. I can't see na ya na gboma at the end of the day I will lose marriage ne e mo ro wan so bo misko mana gele mo musi don't know there no ne mo na jo na bia e wo so go ya me wuri yo egbe akezo buko Enogie who were there marriage me when I were marriage because I'm your mentor who there ni ya wo le ko ke na ge me Oma way negbe. Ona wujima. Oma no wati ozuo. Owa baoa. Ona yoko no lawa. No wa me wori. We wa biele na gadiye. Mama go yoko mu. Ubiele si asi o yo wa. Mama go yoko mu. Ona no you God no we. No we ya we want to pay price. The Omozuo you call Omozuo in your own present got married. Even marry your man age mates. That's to tell you say I not be your mates. If I put your mom for house. Because Oviye Kevin not the way. Enogie. Oviye Kevin not the way. Who is now my first daughter. No one in Nigeria. Or the so the next thing, marry can go young, pay back as a man, and she respect me to pay for house. I you when I you want to did you when I'm you can be married by now? Did my begging you, the man begging you because I will ye Kevin. I saw your mother. Oh, ye back look over the who. When you were mamma, oh, you were ma, then the Raffia woman. By a Kenya anyway, or whether they marriage way. You know what? Don't need you well, ma. Only yours or Jenna. You can be the way. Yes. You can be the way. Don't need you well, ma. Never, Naijawatch be around 10,000 naira. How can you imagine? I didn't know one way you're one. No, I can allow 1 minute way. Era on your good way, on not with 10,000 ebonak bear. Who you like to have fun of a life with you? Well, like to have women and a banana. Who like to have women at Benoit with one? At Benarida Lobo, at Bilalobo. At Benero, I said, Bob, you're going to see my boy. Or I said, what a fail for what? At Ben Wekili. At Ben Daniel Aho. No coco water, no hoa. Ni mani we are seeing. Ni biomoja biomoson. At Benet, you also do with that, my son talking. Or more, you may. At bad money here. Or what baby your young. Or will show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. Or when I'm going to make sense of your day. There is a good ban away. If you have a good, responsible family. When we are going, that's the way I go. And you are talking like this, it shows that the family that brought you up has failed. Tian fail. And be not be with the war. Well, more. Ah, man, work on Robo or Master, I be what I go. I want you also be master. because even with Tamunu, who give you one, to give you we are one. I'll go by your anywhere, or you I'll bow and then we will go to you. To us, Vuzo, and you must say, no vanoji, we are vanojo. I don't know vano, o my dear Robbie guy. I was so while they no kuta, I go away. I say, one lay a porjaka. Now, we're not the walk we are. Nagili kukuwa, ra okbea. No gili o yedo, sayo. When we be your main name you are. Uto tayo wa chebo no yo away. It show you as faith as a father. Okbea, e mo aso legan wa bijian. Wa sira we mo bijian. You call yourself a father? Oui, you are a failure. When I get mon nowadays, I don't know when I go. But you will not because a lesson, I want to lecture you. I am not here to saga you. I am going to lecture you because I allow you fair. I will go fair. And none of my zilly. I am one or boy who totally look here. No, I can't. Kaiho ini sakai. Obiaba totalu kaiho. Totalu akaiho no adai ho. Okara karino. Iyota kwa ayota. Na kitio ndawe. Hama hama ore owe tori abu. Owo tin idoloji. Adame ho ni mawedu. Total. Owa wo fa ego ne. Okutak akane. Ogwegbe ne gagan. Akene go veri. Even if you are best, ewu total. What? A mono biele, ye are tear bonia. When you were tear bonia, or give me. Runda where una were a bit true. Una took more wood. Or when I lady, on a good mountain, a bit true on a guari. Zero way they concert, una zone, una zone, una zeho. On a not good way or you more here one. When a wall a young yakmo, where Barukmo, are you no way, Vanna? I want a Marokon on whom you can go in it. So do a cock or do a war, who might not get no tabo, I between, and I made it with you begin. Many of them go here, was the cat I see where or more boyano. What? It has a your way, or no do, oh, Zhao song. Oh, when you marry a donut cat, anaka, oh, a do, anaka. I'm way telephone, anaka, a do. Eva, oh no kagbe no mo agba kagbe agbonta zewe o cho no jo ya call to your way me we wa ono ga kayo how you okigbe ya kayo okigbo ni aka o kagbe na ata odo ise ihe o we no anani yo na ina gbani aja me ne pagbe wa ina gbani na dai gbani kamanya ana ayi rusu ma wa gini ba o kagbe na ayi rusu ma wa gini ba o kagbe na desina bi ayi rusu ma wa gini ba bi ni tell of ayi rusu ka ko mato eni ka ona me ko ne bo kwanya ina me ko ne yana we yo yana gba seyo are o bia bagwa gini ya ma yana we jare yana we bi sero e gege kon no ko ni we sara do mo no yo na o ha domiawu we na ko bi gba muzo ela biseyo waja yo Enogie o se gbogwe o bi oba na koko yo kegbe o bi oba yewo ona koko yo kegbe yata we o yoba now for example yata we normal human being gbijwe gbira But when man osinuso domi one side. Now back to your family. Bokan, otin wokan, osinuwaso demi. Ana di nemi yo kuro. When what's in the bodu bakana ro mi adana yo no gidomo. Adana yo in case of next time. We have command what do you economic experience? I need to go men wene. I need cocoa your cake bene. Enogie. I need to know what. When you grow up with it, I can't your cake with it. It's I need you suwa. What you want me where you go man? Because they now when they do, it me way. We lost your marriage. We are making up you well. If it, and have a pity wife. When I win, while my and our service of song in what? Oh, you my bar. Oh, when I'm woman of the day. Why Ragmo and our service of song in what? And now you are solely weak. Waragmo. When I will know me. Ana so tonuwa ina ya nebonta marriage na hia bi sotonani ekena amela la haba kiso boy where your predicament start from. That's where you trace your problem, trace it from there. Unda we mu amena gola boy ewi unda. Now let's go further. Udugi omeni one we tawe yes I do. When I make an agree or do I go with him now? Because I'm always on me. I want to go, but I'm always on me. Bienzo, you are your way. I want on your way. I'm your way again. No matter. But understand? Okay. Ezogi we day. Omen udo ukiokpa vie uzoleva. Ukiokpa uzoleva. A month and 2 weeks. July 7, 2024. A day Sunday, no a do zora no wa. A mere 10 minutes on the webi. Una we break marriage. Marriage no is cancel. I'm not going to work gra. So pono mi akwaru no ya gwe. Uwe doge mambo re no wa yokowa. All my mates marry, one marry. Now they force me to marry. They force me to marry. Oh, I have been battle yagiri. Abiwa, anekuwa. They bed ni na wizuwa. Ni na mekuwa. They bed ni ron savon. Even the man why say. Also when I need a youngster. Cause he wrong sa. Oh, when I yet bed the wrong sa. Oh, nekwe. Oh, I'm one not you like youngster. Even when I start doing it, in when I admit it, however, why wouldn't we live a fake life again? What do you prepare me? May live a fake life. When you make meta, when you look at it clearly for, you might better make ya, you might better ye. You are when you watch it, when you need cover of dance yard. On say that, oh no, me and I want to Enogie. Make all that phone. That's because they make noise my ear. Hello? I greet you. Hello? Let's look at the one. Pato. What's the offer me? Now, if you don't know what sugar, you will not be able to learn a lesson. I'm going to bring us some points for this video. Now, points I just want to pick out from this video. They give Enogie. When I sit down, when I carry barrel and paper, I'm not gonna play a video because I don't listen to your video. I pick points for your video. Now, Enogie will go where? The men do I want, and I'm making me. Egbe, Sharon be on who I want to they take be Sharon here. And when I need a book or we bury her, then we over here. And I know, but I know you that a Facebook, or nine no better. We have a marriage after we day, we marriage. We not like Facebook, not a phone, not TV, yes, I will see. You want to go you want, and you then I have marriage, unati, was a one tira. Was so Uma, you live the mother, Uma better apartment. Uma me better to see how stupid you are. Uhitije, I can with marriage, and I will wish ye. But what I will say, oh, one of say you be a gabo. Oh, one of say you be a gabo. Even I majority was done by the family of the women. Not of the man. Then we cannot tell you. Boze no we. Then we are busy building no we are zuzuma. Ozi owe to keke to we are zuzu. Ezuzu de zuzu no. Ezuzu gang no go wa. Zuzu gang no go wa. Craft work in the media. Osame si. Veni meyi ari owo owo be na owo. When I you walk, many are you winner, it may ya so bow winner. It I need that and I can't walk at me. In a out to the walk at me. In which version of walk at me, or come I hear the main marriage, we all will come to the father's house. I know when the marriage will be palera. Now, from walk at me, young to the father released me, and I channel to the father's house. That's to tell you, get a ramate boa or walk out when the man of marriage. Oh, 1 year can be a bo. You understand? Oh, who am I making over? Oh, 1 year can be a bo. Every I am going to get I'm out to show 1 year can be a bo. I'm not money 1 year can be a bo. Oh, walk out back, and I am to the show. I am moving here, Kevin, Mumira, a palera, a yoke. Okay. So there are some say you are walking barrier walking soon. Almighty Bobo, Almighty Kahu, Almighty Kahu, Almighty Kago. Irani, what do you want to come on? A full family, everyone who is one who. Eros have seen who Almighty Boa. You saw us in a zoo, or the bureau at better, elephantiasis. You saw us in Mighty Bobo. You saw us in an end up being a tomato seller or a water market. You supposed to never to market a year and we a blue in a bed to know what to do. A net bed to know what to do. Oh, how will look? Here I go. How without better. Yagena. Imunu memwa. Imunu memwa. Or lay yourself see in the fatalities you want. A weeper, you will service Enogie. You got me a Facebook, my dear, the witcher name. Yoga. And I'm here better way I lay. What eager at te, why is he going at te? I knew a Facebook, how you so gobble, how you so get the doctor, or yeah, they see at te. Or you bet 1 of a way to move. You saw me say, or you do you are. Every night when I walk back on a no see, every whatever way I will remember on a no see. And then you make it dava, you want all you better. You saw us no one say yala. Na yala ya memwa wa. Na ya gbe owe. Na ya gbe ava. Na ya gbe ohere. Ge nya kuma ti sike na yala na yenya. O kyo poto yo to. Elephantiasis da yo wa. Umemwa yi dava. Umemwa dava. Liye Enogie. No gyobosobu. No bo break a heart. No rowe pastor. Hey baba. A story what being with Enogie. Enogie la what give my head. A story family with 1 year. Oh, you are. Is you when a guy get fed up or not a personal accommodator you want? Oh baba. Enogie, other like girlfriend double, living in pastor's house, who just like that. Iliendo. Yes, yet I go make video no one what go make video no one what down here. Oh, no, we dare. Very one put dare social media now. One put never live video. Elle banwa. What dare with one. What dare with us. Non. Agimanda here. Oh, no, we dare clair. Nenya bigwan. What done?
Okay, I come across the video where you do yesterday for Frank. I tried to listen to that video because first of all, you first play the video where Bros Frank Teddy celebrating wife, children. You play am. After you play and finish, you come talk say, waiting make and they happy. Say they celebrating wife, children. Say those children are in children. Bros Enogie for your mouth. Man they cause man. Waiting me know before. Now woman they cause woman with speaking. I don't can see the time where we say man now. All they cause a fellow man because of picking. So first of all, Enogie, let me ask you something. That children no be Bros Frank children. Now Bros Frank children, as far as say he don't pay dowry for his wife head.
God bless you.
9 children. Person stepfather. Now person papa.
Okay.
Myself I get stepfather. And my stepfather show me the kind of love where my father love he show me.
Okay.
He embraced me. He gave me life. He gave me happiness. He made me know the father wound. I swear to God.
Okay.
I never know the love of father, but I know the love of stepfather. First, stepfather made me understand within the call papa.
Okay.
I swear to God. That's why you see that I always want to draw my husband close to their children. Please talk to your children so that the love will be there. It's not because of my dad, it's because of my stepfather. Because now, Lord, do you be? You know when you claim papa, when you say if from Komozo that picking won't do marriage, whether that's not from Komozo will sit down. Let me tell you something. Impossible say that Frank Komozo will sit down for the day of the marriage of that girl. Impossible. Because now papa will they picking like 9% they carry like papa.
Okay.
Like you now, Enogie. If all those your ekutele, all those your beautiful children, they want to marriage now. If you be say no be you go sit down there.
God bless you.
I swear to God. You know why? The children don't like you from small. They don't say you they beat their mama. They see the way you they maltreat their mama. They see the way you don't show their mama love. They know. Children, they know something. And if you don't change now, when the children they grow, they come. Now waiting those children go know till they will take grow with that. So if they won't come to marriage, they prefer make their mother make it sit down. That's they will say they don't need papa. You be do. I beg, when you said you can't pay mama Nora dowry, who sit down there? Your mother did there.
Okay.
Your papa did there, you know did there. So now so the thing they roll. Do. You can't say measure one thing. You say Frank never pay white dowry. Shagombugo. How you take pay mama Nora own? Tell me, how you take pay mama Nora own? Not be the marriage where Frank do. Now you make yourself come as I say you won't go pay mama Nora bride price.
God bless you.
Frank not even better pass you. You now saga money you take pay dowry. Frank now no take saga money take pay dowry. Frank use his own added money when they take the talk on the low key now take pay, but you now saga money dead. People when they draw innocent family now their money now you use. You say you pay mama Nora money. No be all these people when they contribute money give you now their money now you collect. They say that money you take pay mama Nora dowry. Waiting and they call this man
Olivier.
Now money because that's how they report to us. So that's how you do your wife marriage.
Okay.
So now that money when they contribute give you now you take pay mama Nora dowry.
This one is you.
He said come and select my constant to the talk. Okay. Now make person get papa now you the talk. I be make papa responsible. You responsible for the life of your children. You way you know if you protect your children, you know if you protect your wife. See your children for them to talk clean, strong like children where you open tongue, they're not fit. Now because of say you know they take care of them very well. Your wife said no, they take care of them very well. Olodo, who get cost for body, they cost person. Na puala, haralanjo, ombolanido.
Hey! This one finish it. Jesus!
Yesterday for Frank.
Hey!
I tried to listen to that video
When I say this video, I will drink beer, please. Yeah, I'm calling for fridge.
We brought Frank tell you celebrating wife, children. You play after you play and finish. You can't talk, say, waiting make and they happy. See, they celebrating wife, children. Say those children are in children. But so no give for your mouth. Man, they cost man. Waiting me know before. Now, woman, they cost woman with speaking. I don't go see the time when we say man now. Come they cost a fellow man because of picking. So, first of all, Sonoki, let me ask you something. That children, no be Bros Frank children. Now, Bros Frank children, as far as say, he don't pay dowry for his wife head. 9 children. Person stepfather, now person papa. Myself, I get stepfather, and my stepfather showed me the kind of love where my father will show me. He embraced me. He gave me life. He gave me happiness. He made me know the father wound. I swear to God.
Thank you.
I never know the love of father, but I know the love of stepfather. First, stepfather made me understand what they call papa. I swear to God. That's why you see that I always want to draw my husband close to their children. Please talk to your children so that the love will be there. It's not because of my dad, it's because of my stepfather. Because now, Lord, you know when you play papa, when you say if from Komozo that picking won't do married, whether it's not from Komozo will sit down. Let me tell you something. It's possible to say that Frank Komozo will sit down for the day of the marriage of that girl. It's possible. Because now papa when they picking life, that person they carry like papa. Like you now, Enogie, if all those your ekutele, all those your beautiful children, they won't do marriage now. If you be say no be you go sit down there.
Okay.
I swear to God. You know why? The children don't like you from small. They don't say you they beat their mama. They see the way you they maltreat their mama. They see the way you know they show their mama love. They know. Children, they know something. And if you don't change now, when the children they grow, they come. Now waiting those children go know till they will take grow with that. So if they won't come to marriage, they prefer make their mother make it sit down. That's they will talk say they don't need papa. You be lodo. I beg, when you said you can't pay mama nor a dowry, who sit down there? Your mother did there, your mother no did, your papa did there, you know did there. So now so the thing they roll. Olodo. You can't still measure one thing. You say Frank never pay wife dowry. Shagombugo. How you take pay mama nor her own? Tell me, how you take pay mama nor her own? Not be the marriage where Frank do. Now you make yourself come aside say you won't go pay mama nor a bride price. Frank not even better pass you. You now saga money you take pay dowry. Frank now no take saga money take pay dowry. Frank use his own added money where they take the talk on the low key now take pay, but you now saga money debt. People where they draw innocent family now their money now you use. You say you pay mama nor money. No be all these people where they contribute money give you now their money now you collect. I believe say that money where you take pay mama nor dowry waiting they call this man OVA, one of Germany. Now in money because that time when they deport and go ask now that time you do your wife marriage.
Exactly.
So now that money where they contribute give you now you take pay mama nor dowry. Olodo. Instead come aside like man go start to the talk. Olodo. Now make person get papa now you talk. I be make papa responsible. You responsible for the life of your children. You way you know if you protect your children, you know if you protect your wife. See your children for them to talk clean, strong like children way open tongue. They no fit. Now because of say you know they take care of them very well. Your wife said no they take care of them very well. Olodo who get cost for body they cost person. Na puala haralanjo ombolagido. Okay. I come across.
All right.
Yesterday.
You see this short clips of this woman and thunder. This short clip of this woman and thunder. I swear to God, the video to go make sense. Full for this video from the beginning of this end of this video now full of sense and wisdom. And may God bless you. Yes. First of all, let me tell you guys one thing. Guys, when they watch me, and I want to talk to someone. Not be women. I want to talk to my fellow guy man. Guy man when they watch me, I want to talk to now. More alive, more talk. Me now, I don't be married man. I don't marry. And I marry single mother. Single mother with dignity. Not with stupidity. Single mother will know herself. And we get many of this kind of women where I marry so. for this Europe. The men, but they don't show them. They don't show themselves. They do their thing on the low key. Then they say, and you know the funniest part? Most of all these kind of good women, good single mothers, them. Now they jump bad men pass. I don't know why this is happen like that. If the women are the reason or the reason like that, our fellow Gamana they talk to. Most of all these good single mothers, them. Now they jump bad men. Men will go shoot them shady. Men will go put pepper for their eye. Then they jump them away. And it's not supposed to be like that. If you watch Enogie lifestyle for this social media, the way they talk, because he's surprised, the thing is shocking. See, you know, imagine, say, person like me, go feel marry, mama clip for us. You understand? Like play, she not expect them. The thing is shocking. It's shock in left nipple. Me will run, kitty, run sharp when I see what they look for. I before they know what they PM. I don't pay bread sharp at the event house. That's like Westwood Zone. Westwood Zone say guys need to go smart. When I pay bread, Westwood, he say you too go smart. You a bad guy. Too smart, too sharp. He say I make body na. In a lay. Now old meats, they don't see they go high, they go choking. If you mistakenly catch one, no waste time, not come. Put up for us, because if you lose guard, any sharp guy will get 2 eyes sight him. They will grab and put up for us, lock him. What you lock? It don't go. So you as a single mother, no reason waiting and no give the talk. Maybe you feel look yourself inferior. You are wonderfully made. Your attitude will make single boy die for your matter. Your character, you don't get 5 children, you don't get 6 children, you don't get 4 children. Your character will make single man die for your matter. Change your way. That thing where that first man come, see, we not good, change her. When the second man comes, see, we not good, oh yeah, change her. The third man comes, not good, oh God, madam, change her. If the fourth man still come, you say you're not good, madam, ask him what thing I do, say, oh yeah, change you. When you will come balance, they okay, you did good. When the fifth man will look and say, now what can I do for this one? Go grab you sharply. He go grab you. Our Benin user made parable say, oh man, here will wear all your water. Otame, otaso wear. You understand? Now, when I marry a young girl, the young girl be your men now. Una they fight in the presence of your own children. A young girl ought to you be a or ya shawo. You na she well. A young girl at you when ya boy with ya every a no gay we. A young girl not be your men when they at you with why a day name you wa a day agbe the day di go to we la tose e toso yeki o yeki no voin omo no enebi gbagbo igwe mo ofu egbe ya no yo no mo so yeku o ma gbo mo se egbo yibolozo o ye leku o kan egbe lega eziza o da go yaki ma gbo gbazia yele o okuma peso anyway when you jump the right one the thing they sweet me. I'll be lying. The thing gonna sweet me. Then maybe you know you to talk on here something like or you mema or my one no grave. Mojang. And but I want to give me yes. Yes, if you had any cow. Yes now. So what do you die? You know how how you guys do money. How do you feel you want? How do you feel the cow you want? How can the cow? It doesn't like get and where I feel the cow a little. I feel any. How any cow? The cow in it. Well, anybody the cow you what do you never like? Maybe get in. Oh God! Do you imagine me? Oh, how you can get my life? I mean, mommy. Enough here when I feel out and I live with her. And then you go on a booyard. I will only offer a book. I want my feeling that I'm my year or the other. I want my year. Hey, mother. Yeah, what? You know, why are you Oh, where am I, man? I'm not getting a question. Yeah, no, you know, don't understand. The ways of God is not the way of man. What you understand? Any kind of way. I only carry because I hear it. I should not carry your car. Umarasa. All these things in one kind of every man, you don't know how come, you don't know how, he doesn't know anything. Or my anything. You will are going, you have more tradition. Anything may time when I were as homodione. No, if you could there. No, your journey, the community of it. Negimera. You may write in Yahweh and it's going to get. You have that mantle. No, I think we're not letting it get. Oh, how do you live with anyone of a man? We not kill on you as a man. All the things I'm saying, I know you man, but oh, no, you dance away. Oh, I be time man. Ekita, no, yet be tata lakba. Oh, how will ye? We. Oh, when I be Bamarekion. I will fair go ne. Ya, what da. Oh, yaba, a cow. No, I am my boy. The guy you wet. Ere to tell ya ni ko. Ya kale kwa ni ko. Ya dame ho. Ya beko. Ejene ni wonya. Gai go sigbo pare. Baba me hiwe kina. Ime hiwe dai ho. Ya kana. Emo dai ho. Ewi. The first woman rewibu. Or when na uniru. What need to be done amicably. Oh, say not more so. Enough one does not know any cow. Enough one but Panya. Enough more than me. And near you will. Near now, you may you humility. Here now, money king. You know, they will only be. Here you will only be. And I may. If we are not that woman, no mind be young. Ni mind be the royal, you know, live video. If we are that we may come across. Ni mind be the all you are share about very social media. We have it done. You need to the Mukian. Near the Bidro, ya. You may go on for the Nazi congratulations. Congratulations. I didn't put on anything. The Guavomba or see that yes. Mo memoir. If no one could have fair no do getaway. Near Nigby. Kati. Easy me. Or teme or sime. Oh, hi. Easy me. Oh, what a baby bonus. What a man would do. I tell you, you are saying, it can be that or take Brigaco. Oh, what talk, huh? Yare. Any cagua me. Oh, would you have given a live video? You got name or the web live video. You got my hear my yosi or the show a live video. Any of who? If free really. Ito tayage o saume se no via mimi na me my come by now here balance madam there were good gun no to ekiti o ikpe ekiti no yi no see ki human traffic must stop o sabe say ya balance madam some no ya many years ya go dey blabo o do amen no fi no bi go ku me no enigbe o ko no enigbe go no yes ku o no gbo ti o yos o said Jehovah. Oh, you went to better me. Better confuse you. What? And when you beat I can be and that be who do I feel when you go or walking me or what a bolozo. When can I get as a woman? No, we can't go on with good one. And I tell you, what time is that? This market will be fine, sir. Who tell you? Imagine gay, I'm going to go. Imam, we mean Tambera. Imam, we are Zigboro, or Zigboro, or Zigbodo. Mamma, sagele mayo. When I say sagele mayo, mayo sagele mayo. Me ya go yo. Bo women o women at them say sagele mayo. Mayo sagele mayo go di baby. O ma din eye wa. O mo gbaze. Ele yeri me. O no ma din mu kan wa. O ka su be bo we. Ewi ya go e mo wa ni enwa. O no ye yo wa woro no mu yo wa woro ni. No samele lo kun ke ri la o samele lo o same. Woro no yo o samele lo kun. Oni oku when we ye ni o me nwa o kana ga obewe na o kana we kon ozo ona mare imamu ebi no so ndo wa ni I beni wa jena ma o kana wa gui o so ko na di ba o kana gui o ge o kana o so zo ni magai gui severi yo ni mona ti di faute yo ka gbore ra ni ti o ti no ti on ni ti o pogeva ni ti o pogea ni ti o pogene o ke di mari ya no ba ni ti o tere no di wa o ni ti o kan o kan misbehave o papa ne gwagun wa ya le wona gomenda yo I the way social media you get igual go Facebook undawa is live video presenter him saga king I get facts he handle this grace okay whereas I'm disgracing myself. Whereas I am disgracing myself. A fancy in the living, a fancy in the home of Agbon. I followers in the banner. He must know followers. They are well intellectual people. A fire maniac, a fire in the WhatsApp and the one at in the one way, remember, you Kevin, we are here. Do a disgrace life. So, look about this school. Look about this school. A body winner. A body will never work in Jesus' name. Mama K, ye Kevin me ya you. Ye Kevin me beg bossy bone. You do you know ya say, if you are telling no man by your a live video. Or when we are paying brother, the me equal congene. I can't go you. I can't pay. I can't go holding no. If you see my eye, that day. A tennis in my eyes blocked. Imagine. Tennis about drink food table. My in-laws don't drink. My mama in the bar now. Myself, papa. I want you to oh my brother, myself. I'm my boss. Me now come a gentleman. Me no one of them. No one from a gentleman. I'm a woman. No one. I want you. I never do one. Me wa. It want me for you. What will laptop you want? Your laptop. You want the panel? Our discourse. Our introduction. What day? Another introduction of your nation, no, and I introduce me. Now, the panel. What we answer my woman. I bet you put it there. A menu. Now, what you could be in the middle of you. In the coming this social media way in Marinel. Or I'm mad. Me, I'm the only looking. They laugh me. Because near they made video with me, but I'm on you. I used to take me in a live regrand in my one. Anyway. Oh, no, mama, you never pay over it. Baggy your body money, make it before the money. Ima Ghana debut. Ima Ghana debut. Then we are not to large and live video. Who do I feel no beer or will marry you? You are a madman. Come on, will marry you. Oh, come on, hello? Off with me. Okay. Thank you very much. I will speak English now. Thank you. Awesome. We. I will speak English. Go on verse here. I use Benin. They want lecture my small boy. He will not get away because he use himself. They compare me. He use in a late Baba marriage. They compare my traditional marriage. Traditional marriage never do. As my hand just started doing. If I want to come say I want to do commune marriage, I want to do white wedding. For this Europe, where I want to invite people. Every week, I will still invite you. Now, I will personally invite you. Come, may you can see how they do marriage. I'm not ask my hand rich. Even though I'm single, I will call the marriage. I'm a money killer. You understand? Now I'm money killer. So you do marriage, After you do marriage finish, you come out of social media. They disgrace your wife. Manarize the press. Manarize the press. Manarize the press. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. All those insults you label on that woman and you call that marriage. Hey, you say you marry. Now now the real man we marry. Will they quarrel? You don't come on social media. Yes, now. Will they get down? Omo, I be character. Me, when you say so, I be character. You sing for the ground, character. Because I cry joke well. You see where they cry for you, so that's why I say for the ground. If you see me also, if you don't say, hey, when me you go verse you, but my joke I do. So if you don't understand me, you go paro. You go make me. You go make me. I'll change and follow you. It's really. I was no woman. That's when you were. What was we want? So many things. Not joke I do, but you go take us. That's why I'm so happy. I really get joy. See, I married McKevy. She come like person will say, he come like say we don't do the house. They born us together. He did my area, he did my house. You know the kind of person I be. No matter. If I go see me go verse and I go laugh. Oh, I get you. A provoke. Am I not give us something on with Boa? A full leg beer? And I will see you will do.
Domo, speaker, Papa.
Oh, I'll speak out.
Domo, la, Papa, we had a big drink way back loud because okay, my clarify me so the man can understand. Domo.
Yeah.
Forget you saga now because my under this thing we want to collect because now you want to collect the normal idea and the way forward for okay no because if better we like video maybe we like video where a family Sharon Iganiro Opera Yamaladia or these things where a matter a number no point or record work a number no account number no imana weni onya ilelia ibe a family latiania yan one ya around I am ya I want to know more na be account ni re ita iri go your be account of your na iri yo na make na domo
Wato, great you. Thank you very much for that statement. Wato. All right. For what I will see the question you have asked yesterday. No, this morning now, I played the video, the record of the family member, the account number of Sharon's, where you can support Sharon from, Joy Idada Akinole, Access Bank, is the account number, and at the same time, the GoFundMe. Those two is the authentic account number that everybody that want to support Sharon's children can support Sharon's children via those two accounts. The GoFundMe and the Access Bank account that you normally see me pinned down on my platform. Those two accounts is where you can support Sharon OKPAMEN's children. The one where Enogie gets, they don't the same week I tell Enogie that your WhatsApp where you create, where you use Sharon money, they collect. They say you use them, do your marriage. Somebody don't know. Ugari go your account in Uasungu. That's for you. Now, secondly, the family speak to me this morning, and they also tried to call me today, but I was not at home. Then when they called me, I'm on the house. I get not less than 5 missed calls from them today, this afternoon, because they wanted me to come online so that they can speak to the general public. By the time I came back this afternoon, before I do that video where I do, for concerning politics. So I saw the missed call. I called back. I have to call back. When I called back, the person was no longer in that place, that house. That is Radio Miller. I was no longer in Radio Miller. He now said he already gave my number to the overall senior, so that one called me They would join together to call me and speak to the public. That was the message I heard from them today, this evening. You understand? That's okay. No problem. Whenever they call me, when they want to speak, whenever they feel like talking, I'm always here. But mind you, they said they've spoken to me, but they want to come out online to speak through my platform today. But the time they put it, I was not at all. Because despite say the fights, I need to also go do my own thing. I got my own problem to solve too. So I have to go solve my own problem. In we don't give away so I mean yeah with video, never put up with video, but it's the reality. You understand? So saying that we here carbon zero because we win. All we need is for someone to be taken home, straight down to the family, so you will bury amicably. Every year he have a live video. Every year he can tell them there are some stupid questions and nobody know. He wants to learn. But there are some things I will not let him to know on social media. Sharon has said, you guys now know everything. And at the same time, when the poster of burial arrangement of Sharon is being printed and brought out, you guys will know everything. So most of the TV they talk blah, 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 blah. Because now we don't talk not to plenty. All we need is action and the preparation. Now we bury this guy for ground, make peace day. You understand? And what's the question we ask? I'm going to bring this issue come. We will bury and make peace day because I can't a lot on a Enogie or the other video make an amigo. Another day with video make amigo. Another day with video make amigo. Fine. It could about when we have all of now we stand for truth and justice to see how this whole issue will go. See many of them now when you see you shall not tell, all those kind of talk when they talk about that. Some not true, some not be true. She might cause some people, you understand? Why many people pretend to be Mama Sharon. See, I don't want to talk many things, so me I don't want to go deep. Many people pretend to be Mama Sharon. They come many every year. They want to see. Let me leave that issue of Mama Sharon. I don't want to go deep. You understand? But one thing this show where I know, people pretend to be Mama Sharon. People pretend to be Prince OKPAMEN. Now get one particular video will go viral. What Sharon really die? One particular video go viral. Saying that Sharon brother in B. One woman call it and they call it because the person call it say it don't happen. God give, God take. When I go watch that video, when I watch this guy we talk to, this Prince OKPAMEN we talk to, if not the same person. If not the same person, many of you now watch that video, when they say, brother come and contact you, brother come and contact you, that was not OKPAMEN. That guy pretended to be OKPAMEN. Just to catch view for TikTok. A lot of people have been like, so people they call different prophets, they be Sharon. Many things people they do. So we'll keep that side aside. I'll give you guys, I'll let you guys understand. The account is still intact. That's the account now. So any other account is fake. Any other account is what? Fake. The only known and signed and agreed account you guys can donate. Nabi Idada John Idada Akinori Access Bank. Finish. And a good fund me. And you guys know. Finish. That's why I go talk the Irish. What?